there, everyone! I'm Sunny, and I am so excited to spend some time with you today. We're going to learn some super cool English words together, and it's going to be a whole lot of fun, I promise. Ready to get started? Let's dive in! There are many animals, both big and small, in the jungle. Let's learn about some of them. Oh my gosh! Everybody look! It's an actual lion! Can you believe it? A real lion right there!
Oh wow! Look at that! It's a huge elephant! I've never seen one this close before. Oh.
I am a big elephant. Yes, you are.
The biggest! We know!
Big elephant.
Look at that! It's a big gorilla!
I am a very big gorilla.
Whoa! Look at that! It's a big gorilla.
Big and small, we stick together. Let's go,
big
little
and
friends.
small.
That's right, friends.
Look! At a small iguana!
A big hippopotamus. A little worm. How cute! Now everyone sing, yeah!
The lion is big, roar, roar. The bird is small, chirp, chirp, chirp. Big and small, we love them all. Big and small, we respect them all. Roar, roar, roar. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Animals are friends, let's be kind. The lion is big, roar, roar. The bird is small, chirp, chirp, chirp. Big and small, we love them all. Big and small, we respect them all. Roar, roar, roar. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Animals are friends, let's be kind. Now we're going to sing in Spanish. El león es grande, roar, roar. El pájaro es pequeño, pío, pío, pío. Grandes y pequeños, los amamos a todos. Grandes y pequeños, nos respetamos a todos. Roar, roar. Pío, pío, pío. Los animales son amigos, seamos amables.
Subscribe for our next adventure.